Gang, 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 gang. You already know what time it is, you know. When I see the boss, they see the Dan what we are dealing with, you know. Yeah, man, we're back in the lab with another mad reaction and another banger. Yeah, man, people, this one has been highly requested. Shout out to you guys who have been requesting. Yo, Cashh have some loyal, State have some loyal blood clean fans out there, you know. Yeah, man, y'all been requesting this for a little minute. Y'all been requesting it. Cashh, Thief. Right, check it out and see where dog are doing. Been a minute since we react to Cashh. You know, we're getting back into the swing of things. We're getting back into the groove of things, man. You know what I'm saying? Keeping the momentum going. We now play with the road. You see me answer? So we're not even going to hold up the vibes much on guy, no man. Yeah, Cashh, Thief. Let's get it.
Oh, you want me and me, show you now okay leads. 25 yet.
That's a good question, you know. Oh, you want me and me, show you now okay leads. Are you working at 95 for it? Are you investing for it? Are you trading for it? Are you selling products? Are you an entrepreneur? You gotta be doing something. You're not just scamming, you know. You see me, you have to work your leads. You're not just leads as in but clientels, the markets. You gotta be doing something. You know what I'm saying? Because for Cashh.
Every real jagger know a famine for
Jagger them.
Just focus down. Broke shop nothing when you hear about it. College
Class. I know broke shop sitting when you hear about thief, you know. I know broke shop. This I know bag grab. This I know pickpocket. Go on.
Chill out. Let me scholar high now. I sell a house for the big jets. My jeans.
Mary, away dog there. Oh, dog still there, yard.
A Philippine, I ran up on my teeth.
Easy now, man. Foot swipe. Yo, dog, you get long ass shit. That uppy blood cleat swag.
From a girl I fall asleep, then she have to swallow key.
Wait, trying to get a fall asleep, she have to swallow what?
Fall asleep, then she have to swallow key.
Hey, boy.
File them still a file.
Yes, G. Where every beat tells a story, alright?
50.
You see no moms? What go on?
As we rise, we up with the panic caller. Be your face jagger, but you go on the sada. You can know if you wall out, press it leads them harder.
Yeah.
The E50 cheesecake, clear it corner.
Yeah, if you know if you wall out and press the lead them harder, you know. As we rise with the panic caller, you know. Talk to them, Cashh. Talk to them.
But you go on the sada, you can know if you wall out, press it leads them harder. The E50 cheesecake, clear it corner.
E50.
She love the style of Benjamin chip on the tip. As we live and the brick will live away. Them a post with man funds and say them chop them think of shit. She take it.
I post with man funds and say them chop them a think of shit. How I post with man funds? Who have man a mind them? Hey, mind
them a post with man funds and say them chop them think of shit. She take it, my rubber brick up on your clit.
Bad bitch inna the chop, you have it up with fun.
She take it, me rub them brick up on your clean mama rub. Hey,
on your clit.
Bad bitch inna the chop, you have it up with funds. Pretty little filly says she want get drunk. Pilling on your cup overdose with the drugs, come roll with it.
Oh, class, bad bitch inna the chop, she have you up with funds. Pretty little filly says she want get drunk.
Pretty little filly says she want get drunk. Pilling on your cup overdose with the drugs, come roll with the talks. Stars are us.
Hey.
Bad bitch love now fun. She up in the right so the cock like a mark. And the game me love and the money she love.
Yeah, I'm in love with love. Got it in love with the game, man.
And the game me love and the money she love.
Yeah.
Get that money and you go bad bitch.
Yeah.
Fucking at the Benz, that sex is rich.
Yeah.
AC cool.
Mama, you say man, go on through.
Bad bitch. Fucking at the Benz, that sex is rich. AC cool and it's
in I Benz, the sex is rich. Mama, in the BM. You don't know this is. Calm down.
Live. Me skull them a pee and my friend them a jigs. Drop that charge, run the money up. Chop a mill, yes, see that to them a body top.
Yeah.
She beast, yes, see that to them a chop it up.
Yeah.
She have it hot like rebel, get my body top.
Combo clash of ya like rebel, get the body top.
She beast, yes, see that to them a chop it up. She have it hot like rebel, get my body top. Bad bitch inna the chop, you have it up with funds. Pretty little filly says she want get drunk. Pilling on your cup overdose with the drugs, come roll with the talks. Stars are us.
Stars are us. Mama warm to you. When I see that, you know, say you're not present of a star, you know, mama warm to you, man. And I like a simple and regular common as this.
Bitch love now fun. She up in the right so the cock like a mark. And the game me love and the money she love. It's chip on the account, no send if it don't go so. Every pretty bitch love a chopper, she get spoiled your phone. Just random a one bam and tie him up. In a guapi designer 1,000
Cheese in a man.
Love a chopper, she get spoiled your phone. Just random a one bam and tie him up. In a guapi designer 1,000 paper.
I mean guapi designer. Can't get put the boy them pan guapi.
Work making meal, you fi free fi bro. Mount a pack, we a bike and we max it up. Cat na cara, she had a goat fi tree. Girl skinny thought for me. Bad bitch inna the chop, you a fi up with funds. Pretty little filly said she want get jumped. Pilling on your cup, overdose with the jugs. Gun roll with the chugs, stars are us. Bad bitch love no fun, she up inna the right side of the clock.
Bitch love no funds. Facts. Go on, Joe.
Roll with the chugs, stars are us. Bad bitch love no fun, she up in the right side of the clock like a mark. And the game me love, and the money she love.
Yep. The game me love, you know, and money she love, you know. Hey.
Yeah, it's mad.
Gotta be in love with the game, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that. File them a fire.
The game bring the money. You see me what I say? But the money don't bring the game. Yeah.
Brain freeze. You know the thing, man. Plug on. Not nice.
Man. States. Blood clear. I mean, raw cash. Raw cash, I can see the growth. You know what I'm saying? I can see the growth and, you know what I'm saying, and the consistency. I've been gone for a little minute, but y'all know who the first round here react to raw cash. I don't know what time it is, you know. I don't know what time it is, though. You see me? I know it's done different, you know. Me always at the first youth I put on the new youth them, you see me, and I come with a different thing, you know, you see me? Then people come after. You see me and say, but you know what time it is with the G. You see me and say, we're the first react to raw cash and look at the growth, man. Just like we're the first react to Skipper and look at the growth of Skipper, you see me and say, you know, unfortunately my beef, you know what I'm saying, but I just part of a game. You see me, we here for good music and some good artists them. You see me and say, You never know that, bro. A Skipper and a raw cash collab would be crazy, you know. Crazy, you know? Mad, you know. You see me, if a man they name a beef, but you don't know what time it is, you know. Like a rumor going on, you don't know. Raw Cash and Skipper been on the follow me now. You're like Mali done involved, and you see me and say, but me this is like a little collab between Raw Cash and Mali. Me don't know how that go. You know that go checking in on one day. You see me and say, but yeah man, we had to tap in on this one, check it out and see where Raw Cash deal with it. You see me and say. It's a good look. I'm glad to see dog still growing, keeping the consistent going. I like to see the change. You see me and say, yeah man, he came out far away since we reacted to him. Last year before last. 2024 was the first time we reacted to him. 2025 I kind of took a little. Hey, we ain't gonna talk about that. But the Danny have took over again. You see me, the owner for there again. You see me and say, been crazy man. Yo. Big up Raw Cash, bro. You see me and say, I'm glad to see the growth. You see me? Any artist we react to over here, so because we want to see growth, we want to see prosperity, we want to see longevity, we want to see good for the artist. That's why I react to them. I mean, I want to see the artists them good for the art mood, react to them in the first place. So, you see me, even though they got a little beef going on, bro, I'm glad when I see artists are prosper and grow. You see me? And that's why I'm reacting. You see me? If you give them exposure and shit, you know what I'm saying? You don't know what time it is, though. But if you like, you show the artists on the one support, you know, say, dance, you know. You don't know what time it is. The next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.